Hello everybody! Today I'm going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Superdrug Naturally Radiant Green Dual Roller. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Superdrug Naturally Radiant Green Dual Roller, and just taking a look at the details that's on the box packaging. And at the back of the box there is some product information for this Superdrug Naturally Radiant Green Dual Roller. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by cutting apart the clear packing tape that's keeping the box securely sealed, and doing so very carefully with a penknife. And of course sliding the contents out from the box packaging, and we can see that one of the rollers has come off the handle or frame, and just closing the box back up. And of course recycling the box thoughtfully. So just setting the box on the right hand side of the table and giving you a look at the dual-ended green roller that we've just removed from the box packaging, with the smooth roller separated from its handle, but nonetheless giving you a look as it is straight out from its box packaging. And it is quite cool to the touch. The natural stones, which is serpentine, that make up this dual-ended roller. Okay, and just trying to replace or put the smooth roller back into its frame, but nonetheless giving you a look at the gold tone hardware or frame of the roller. So just popping one side of the smooth roller stone in and the other side, and just going to squeeze the ends together. Let's see if I can do that to give it a more secure fit. Okay, it is rather stiff, so going to need some proper leverage to squeeze it in properly, but nonetheless for now it is holding in place, and you can see it rolling very smoothly. And taking a look at the ridged end, and it does roll very smoothly as well. Let's take a look now with the roller fully assembled as it should have been straight out of the box, having it rest in my palm to give you some sense of its size. So the stones are pretty cool to the touch. So once again, a close-up look now with the roller properly reattached onto its frame right there. So trying to get the camcorder to focus in on the details. So right there, now you have a much sharper and clearer image of the roller. So you can see it does have a very smooth finish, and handle wise you can see the middle part of the handle is also made from serpentine. So giving you a look right there, a full view up close of both ends of this double-ended or dual-ended roller in green. Green because of the serpentine stone that's being used for this roller. Now giving you a much closer in look, and let's see if we can achieve focus right there. On the ridged roller, so giving you a look at the close-up details and of course the side view as well, so you can see that it does roll rather freely. And it's a little bit tricky to achieve autofocus on the roller, but there we go. So overall details you can see right throughout with both ends, with the ridge side and the smooth side. So you can, and of course the overall gold tone hardware. So right there are the overall details. For this Superdrug Naturally Radiant gold dual roller, or green dual roller, I beg your pardon. And just to give you some sense of the material once again, which is serpentine, a natural stone, so pretty sturdy throughout, and even the frame, which is made out of metal, is rather sturdy as well. When I was trying to reattach this smooth roller back on and trying to squeeze the sides together, it does require quite some effort and leverage to squeeze them together properly, but nonetheless back in place nicely. And right there, all the details up close. And let's try and get even closer in right there so you can see the overall texture. And the smoothness of that rolling action, and on the ridge side, so giving you a look right there. Of the details of the roller. So giving you a full and clear look right there as it is on the table. And of course another look. At the overall details once again. So that's the Superdrug Naturally Radiant Green Dual Roller. Thanks for watching and happy massaging!